Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is one of 50 or 100 billion other galaxies in the universe, and with every step, every window that modern astrophysics has opened to our mind, the person who wants to feel like they're the center of everything ends up shrinking. Neil deGrasse Tyson. I'm Mike with List 25, and here are the 25 most bizarre galaxies in the universe. '25. Messier 82. I'll start off our list of the strangest galaxies in the universe with one of the most impressive, Messier 82. Known as M82, this galaxy is 5 times brighter than the entire Milky Way due to the rapid birth of young stars, a rate of 10 times greater than inside our own galaxy. Over time, stars will be created so quickly they will devour each other. The red plumes coming out of the center are glowing hydrogen gas being ejected from M82's center. 24. Sunflower Galaxy. Formerly known as Messier 63, the aptly named Sunflower Galaxy looks as though it belongs in Vincent van Gogh's repertoire. This cosmic beauty boasts bright, winding arms made up of newly formed blue-white giant stars. Just as with this sunflower design, galaxies are also known for mimicking natural designs such as whirlpools and arms. 23. Max J0717. Max J0717 is one of the strangest, astronomically speaking, galaxies on this list. Technically a galaxy cluster, Max J0717 was formed by the collision of 4 other galaxies. A stream of galaxies, gas, and dark matter over 13 million light-years long are colliding in an area already dense with matter, creating fascinating images for us to see. 22. Messier 74. If Santa Claus has a favorite galaxy, it would be this one. Messier 74 is often talked about by astronomers around Christmas time since the spiral arms clusters of young blue stars and the bright glowing balls of ionized hydrogen make it look like a Christmas wreath. 21. Baby Boom Galaxy. A starburst galaxy about 12.2 billion light-years away from Earth, the Baby Boom Galaxy was discovered in 2008. The aptly named galaxy takes the cake as the brightest starburst galaxy in the very distant universe thanks to its incredibly rapid star formation, a rate of 1 star about every 2 hours. In contrast, our Milky Way galaxy produces a new star on average once every 36 days. 20. Milky Way Galaxy. Our own Milky Way galaxy is indeed one of the strangest galaxies in the universe, one of the most impressive too, and that's not just me feeling proud. Our massive galaxy is home to at least 100 billion planets and up to 1 trillion stars, some of which are among the oldest in the known universe. 19. IDCS 1426. The galaxy cluster IDCS 1426 boasts multiple accolades. Observed by scientists when the universe was less than a third of its age today, IDCS 1426 is the most massive galaxy cluster in the early universe. It also weighs nearly 500 trillion suns, a number that's pretty hard for us to realistically imagine. The bright blue core of gas is the result of galactic collision, sloshing around much as wine would slosh around in a sommelier's glass before settling. 18. Zwicky 18. The galaxy Zwicky 18 has a host of titles as a starburst galaxy, blue compact galaxy, dwarf irregular galaxy, and one of the strangest galaxies in the universe. Astronomers are still confused by this galaxy, which shows star development typical of galaxy formation from the earliest days of the universe. It's also strange that a large amount of ionized helium is present, making scientists wonder what is emitting radiation strong enough to kick electrons off their helium atoms. 17. NGC 6744. NGC 6744 is a large spiral galaxy which astronomers believe is one of the most similar to ours. Located about 30 million light-years away, the galaxy's elongated core and puffy arms are quite reminiscent of our Milky Way. 16. NGC 6872. The galaxy known as NGC 6872 is the second largest spiral galaxy ever discovered. Its beautiful tail, ironic that it's in the constellation of Pavo the Peacock, is a stretched arm full of star-forming regions. Since this strange galaxy doesn't have much free hydrogen, it relies on material pulled from nearby IC 4970, just above in the picture, for star birth. 15. Max J0416. Found around 4.3 billion light-years away from Earth, Max J0416 looks more like what the kids at Woodstock saw while the musicians played. The bright purple and pink colors hide a deeper struggle here, namely that two galaxy clusters are about to collide. 14. M60 and NGC 4647, the Galaxy Couple. Though most galaxies' gravitational poles bring them closer together, there's no evidence of that with Messier 60 and NGC 4647, but there's no evidence of them drifting apart either. Like content old lovers, the two galaxies drift together in space, exhibiting only minor tidal interactions between them. 13. Messier 81. Located nearby to number 25, Messier 81 is a spiral galaxy with a supermassive black hole 70 million times greater than the mass of the Sun at its center. M81 is home to many short-living but hot-burning blue stars, which heat nearby dust as seen in its spiral arms. Gravitational interactions with M82 have seen both galaxies pulling hydrogen gas away from each other, resulting in wispy lines of gas or high amounts of interstellar gas accumulating in their centers, leading to the rapid star formation. 12. Antennae galaxies. About 600 million years ago, NGC 4038 and NGC 4039 crashed into each other, beginning a massive exchange of stars and galactic matter. Though scientists think the galaxies look like an antennae, it looks to me like it would be better known as the Love Galaxy. 11. Sombrero Galaxy. Amateur astronomers eagerly flock to the Sombrero Galaxy, so named because of its bright nucleus and large central bulge. Add in this spiral galaxy's easily evident dust lane, and it looks like a sombrero in the sky. 10. 2 Mass X J16270254 plus 4328340. This blurry galaxy is known by the seemingly overcomplicated name of 2 Mass X J16270254 plus 4328340. The result of two galaxies merging, this strange galaxy has produced a fine mist consisting of millions of stars radiating out from its center. The mist is expected to slowly dissipate since the entire galaxy is nearing the end of its life, with its stars cooling and dimming. 9. NGC 5793. Not too strange, though immensely beautiful, on first look, the spiral galaxy, NGC 5793, is better known for a rare phenomenon, masers. We're familiar with lasers, which emit light in the visible range of the spectrum, but not as much with masers, which emit light in the microwave range. Masers are not too common, astronomically speaking, and produce light by absorbing surrounding energy and re-emitting it in the spectrum's microwave range. 8. Triangulum Galaxy. This image shows a nebula, NGC 604, located in one of the spiral arms of galaxy Messier 33. Over 200 immensely hot stars heat the ionized hydrogen gas of the nebula, making it fluorescent, as seen here from the Hubble Space Telescope. Sometimes debated if it's a satellite of the larger nearby Andromeda Galaxy, the Triangulum Galaxy, aka Messier 33, is the third largest in our local group. 7. NGC 2685. Sometimes referred to as the Helix Galaxy, NGC 2685 is a polar ring galaxy in the constellation Ursa Major. One of the first polar ring galaxies identified, NGC 2685 has an outer ring of gas and stars rotating around the galaxy's poles, making it one of the rarest types of galaxies. Most matter in galaxies orbits the equator, not the poles. Scientists still aren't sure what causes the polar rings, but theorize these galaxies may pull matter from passing galaxies. 6. Messier 94. Messier 94 looks like the most terrifying hurricane which could ever hit our planet. This starburst galaxy is surrounded by bright blue rings of rapidly forming stars. The rapid birth regions are likely due to a pressure wave emanating from the galaxy's center, compressing the outer region's gas and dust to coalesce into clouds, then stars. 5. Pandora's Cluster. Formerly known as Abell 2744, this galaxy cluster is known as Pandora's cluster due to the host of strange phenomena resulting from the convergence of multiple smaller galaxy clusters. This picture shows the irregularly shaped cluster in blue. 4. NGC 5408. Looking more like the colored sprinkles on a birthday cake, NGC 5408 is a remarkable irregular galaxy in the constellation of Centaurus. Though not as well put together as spiral or elliptical galaxies, NGC 5408 is equally as strange and interesting due to the ultraluminous X-rays it puts out. Scientists still aren't sure what caused them, but speculate it could be an intermediate mass black hole. 3. Whirlpool Galaxy. The Whirlpool Galaxy, officially known as M51A or NGC 5194, is a galaxy large enough and close enough to us that amateur astronomers can see it on a dark night with binoculars. The Whirlpool Galaxy was the first to be classified as a spiral galaxy, and is particularly interesting for its interaction with the dwarf galaxy NGC 5195, one of the most well-known galactic interactions in astronomy. This impressive and hellish-looking picture shows the Whirlpool Galaxy in both visual light, on the left showing its stars, and infrared light, on the right showing its dust structure. 2. SDSS J1038 plus 4849. Galaxy cluster SDSS J1038 plus 4849 is one of the coolest clusters we've ever found. Resembling a uniquely human figure, like the snowman on the asteroid Vesta from our Strange Things About the Universe list, everyone can see the smiling face of this galaxy. The eyes and nose are galaxies, but the curved lines are due to gravitational lensing. Since the cluster has so much mass, it bends and distorts the light around it, creating this happy arc. 1. NGC 3314A and NGC 3314B. Though these two galaxies look as though they're colliding, it's just a matter of perspective. From our vantage point on Earth, these two galaxies seem to overlap each other, but are actually tens of millions of light years apart. Nonetheless, they produce